Hola a todos, que hay amigos, la Keshe Foundation ante el óxido de grafeno reducido. Hemos conseguido llegar a hacer a Mr Keshe, incluso en 2 ocasiones, la pregunta del óxido de grafeno reducido. Voy a empezar por la última ocasión en la que se le ha hecho llegar, ha sido a través de Geraldo Ramírez, y en la primera ocasión fue gracias a Liliana y más maestros que han hecho fuerza por la que era nuestra cuestión. Vamos allá con la última contestación de la Keshe Foundation a Geraldo Ramírez, que exponía la tesis de la quinta columna, en la cual el óxido de grafeno reducido inoculado podría, en interacción con la partícula de hidrógeno, multiplicarse por todo el organismo y generar los fenómenos de magnetismo que están sucediendo a nivel de la población y demás cuestiones.
We have a question that's come up before. I don't know if we want to get into it right now, but I'll pose it anyway here from Geraldo Ramirez from Madrid, Spain, a student of the foundation. He says the latest research in nanotechnology materials, and specifically so-called graphene, one of these investigations is the so-called reduced graphene oxide, which in conjunction with hydrogen in a biological organism becomes magnetic. So as all, he goes on to say, as all research will have its positive but also negative applications, my question is, does the foundation, with the wonderful science of plasma, have some plasma configuration that defends humanity from this danger? Thank you so much. Have you heard much or know anything about this reduced graphene oxide, Mr. Keshe?
No.
I think people are referring to that in terms of the vaccines and so on, that people are worried that it's in the vaccines and it gets in the body and becomes magnetic. And then we have all these videos showing up with people sticking things to their body, which videos like that, note, that have showed up before even COVID and that before vaccines, that there's people that have gone around and
maybe you have too higher content of iron in your body.
Well, the debunkers found out they have something sticky on their body that they put on that allowed the things to stick to them that looked like it was magnetic. So I'm not sure how much of that is true and how much of it isn't.
I think we better keep away from this.
Probably.
Situation.
Yeah, it's bordering on the medical misinformation area of YouTube.
Yeah, there is a new, what I call the type, is called it Delta version of the, what's it, the new name has come out with the corona. Now they finished with the countries, now they started with alphabet.
Yeah, that's right.
They're supposed to be more dangerous than other. I think in time, if we learn and follow the process of the Keshe Foundation work, we'll see a lot of understanding that doesn't matter what it is. The understanding of the technology should help you with any kind of virus in any position in the universe. Depends if you want to be the orange or you want to be the cup of water. Or if you are the orange or you're the cup. The vastness of the, what I call, varieties of what we call viruses is so huge in the space that when I listen to these things, it just makes me laugh. But at the moment, they're riding on the ignorance of people. You heard about the new joke. They said, do you know why Bill Gates is split? They said because Billy didn't accept the second shot. You understand? Great. Are you there?
Hey, not sure if I quite got that or not.
Well, it was good as long as his wife had a second shot.
Oh, I see.
He
Okay.
wouldn't accept the second shot. So
Uh-huh.
there must be something in it.
Right, exactly.
Okay, any other question?
Ya habéis visto cuál ha sido la contestación de Mr Keshe, ha sido muy escueta, así que vamos a por la segunda parte en la cual va a responder a nuestra cuestión.